thank you for watching us. So we're going to consider again today another technical analysis, which is support and resistance. Now I'm going to show you how to draw your support and resistance. Now we're going to consider what is support and what is resistance. This we'll see here now. It's a very useful method and tool to analyze the chart. The kind of charting is possible the most used method by all traders in the financial market. Most of the traders in financial market use support and resistance. So I'm going to show you how to how to do this now. Let's quickly check. 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 So you see some now. You see some now. You see some now. I will show you they are many, they are as much as possible. You can see them, you can see. So let's look this place. We have many touches here. This is we're going to consider support. As you can see, it's very simple. Now the support line marks a certain price at which the price bounce. The price comes from above, bounce, and again continues upward. So at which the price bounce. See, this is where the most price bounce here now. You can see it here. Let me draw so let's draw here. So you see, most of the price bounce here. This is what we mean by support line. This is support line where most price they touch and bounce back. So after bounce back, it continue upward. You can see it continue upward. So it's as very simple like that. Support and resistance line are not very much hard to draw. So I've shown you how to draw a support line. You make sure that your support touches. It touches. Let me draw small for you here. Let's say this is an entry, this is a movement. This is movement. This is movement. This is movement. This is another movement. Goes up like that. So when you are drawing your support, it has to touch. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. So you have to have a minimum of 3 to 4 touches to make your support very strong, like the one you are seeing here. You can see touches here. See another touches here. You can see another touches here. So as it touches, it bounce back and continue. So it's as simple as ABC. This is your support line. It is very simple to understand. If you see that the price is respecting a certain point, then you must know that is a support or resistance level. So that's that about it. So let's quickly check the resistance. The resistance follows the same logic. The resistance follow almost the same logic. So let me draw resistance for you. This is the resistance. Resistance comes up like this. Resistance is up while support is down. This is your resistance. This is your resistance. This is your another resistance. So let's look for one of the samples here so that you can understand better. So let me use here. It's not much, but let me use here. Let me use here. Let me use here. So this is our resistance. So this is level of resistance. So it has come here, bounce back, comes here, bounce back, comes here, bounce back, comes here, bounce back, and move again. So those are the resistance. So you can also use the same level if you watch your chart very well, understand the way it moves. Then you draw your line. You can draw your support line and your resistance line and follow for your trade. It's as very, very simple like that. So I will advise that more of our training on the support and resistance is coming up. Try and watch them so that you can understand better and better. Thank you very much from InventFx Boot.